Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be disassembling the potato box, seeing if we got any potatoes. I don't expect much because I planted them too late and it was just too damn hot, but let's see what we got. If you're not familiar with the potato box, basically it's planting potatoes in straw or some kind of mulch, and as the plants grow you add more mulch. The idea is that you get multiple potatoes in multiple levels, but we'll see how we go. Before we get into that, we'll just show you a little bit of the build-up process. All right, so disassembly time. So the main benefit of this method is that harvesting the potatoes should be super easy. All right, so I think we can say that was pretty much an epic failure. I got a bunch of tiny little potatoes, and that's it. And I think I spent like $40 on 8 to 10 seed potatoes, which seed potatoes are way expensive. But anyway, another reason to grow your own potatoes successfully. So anyway, I think it's important that we all share our happy little accidents and our tragic little failures as well. But I got a pile of mulch I can use for compost. I think what would have been ideal is if, when trying this method, I also did the conventional method. So then I could have figured out, was it just the weather, the time I planted it, or was there something fundamentally wrong with the way I did the potato box? But one thing's for sure, harvesting's easy, but yeah, productivity is pretty pathetic. So anyway, we keep learning, we keep moving on. If you're enjoying these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you want some pretty cool permaculture based t-shirts, check the link in the description. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.